Hello, today I'm in a 2011 Toyota Highlander and I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth phone to the vehicle system. So we're going to want to go to the setup options and then here phone. And then this Bluetooth will show you like the network name and all that, but we're going to go to manage phones. And then here you'll want to hit add new and this will prompt the connecting option. So at that point, all phones are going to be a little different on this, but you're going to want to make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, which it's going to be this symbol here you want highlighted, and you're going to want to access your Bluetooth menu. And then as this says, it should say something similar to car multimedia. And that other screen I mentioned, you can change that name if needed. But here you see it popping up on my phone here, the car multimedia, which it says you're connecting here. So you're going to want to select that on your phone. So it'll be pairing, and then it'll prompt a screen for this password, whatever this passcode might be. So in this case, 1212. Now we're pairing, and then that should be it for connecting your phone. And then, so that should pretty much be done on my end for this. Bluetooth connection successful. And if for some reason you needed to change some of your other information, go back to this. Setup phone, Bluetooth, and then here it lets you edit the device or the car device name and the passcodes and all that. So if you needed to change that for some reason, it's there. But otherwise, I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.